Do you ever go to bed with your stomach feeling heavy, puffy, or uncomfortably bloated? What if I told you there's a simple evening drink you can make in less than 5 minutes that not only reduces bloating, but also supports gut health while you sleep? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful nighttime remedy that helps your stomach feel flatter, lighter, and healthier. Welcome back to Stomach Fit, your go-to channel for natural solutions to reduce bloating, improve gut health, and support weight management. If you're tired of waking up bloated, this video is exactly what you need. We'll dive straight into a soothing, science-backed evening drink that works while you rest. I'll explain the ingredients, why they work, and how to prepare it step by step. Plus, I'll share a few extra gut-friendly tips that make this drink even more effective. And if you're serious about transforming your gut health and flattening your stomach naturally, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos filled with simple but powerful remedies. Before we make the drink, let's quickly understand why bloating often worsens at night. During the day, food, drinks, and even stress can slow digestion. Eating heavy dinners, processed foods, or foods high in sodium can trap gas and water in the belly. By the evening, your stomach feels swollen, tight, and uncomfortable. The solution? A drink that soothes digestion, reduces water retention, fights inflammation, and balances gut bacteria. That's exactly what we're about to prepare. Ingredients you'll need: warm water, 1 cup, supports digestion and relaxes the gut. Fresh ginger, 1-inch piece or 1 teaspoon grated, helps to reduce gas and speed digestion. Chamomile tea bag, soothes the stomach, reduces inflammation, and calms the body for better sleep. Fresh lemon juice, half a lemon, natural detoxifier and aids digestion. Optional, honey, 1 teaspoon, for taste and antibacterial benefits, but keep it light. Step 1. Start with warm water. Warm water helps relax your digestive muscles and encourages smoother digestion. Cold water can sometimes slow things down, but warm water works like a gentle massage for your gut. Step 2. Add ginger. Ginger is one of the best natural remedies for bloating. Studies show it helps break down food faster and reduces gas buildup. Simply grate a teaspoon of fresh ginger and add it to the warm water. Step 3. Brew chamomile tea. Drop in a chamomile tea bag and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Chamomile is calming, not only for the mind, but also for the stomach. It reduces inflammation, eases cramps, and promotes restful sleep, perfect for an evening ritual. Step 4. Squeeze in lemon. Add half a lemon for a fresh, tangy boost. Lemon juice encourages the production of digestive juices, helping your body break down dinner more efficiently, while also flushing out excess sodium and toxins. Step 5. Sweeten with honey. Optional. If you like a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. It has antibacterial properties that support gut health, but keep it light to avoid unnecessary sugar before bedtime. And there you have it, a warm, soothing evening drink that reduces bloating, supports digestion, and sets you up for a lighter, more comfortable morning. This isn't just a random combination. It's rooted in nutrition and gut health science. Ginger reduces intestinal gas and speeds up stomach emptying. Chamomile acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and calms the digestive tract. Lemon balances stomach acidity and helps reduce water retention. Warm water keeps digestion moving smoothly while preventing constipation. Together, these ingredients detoxify, reduce bloating, and support healthy gut bacteria while you sleep. To make this drink even more effective, combine it with these habits. Eat dinner earlier. Aim for at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Limit salt at night. Too much sodium causes water retention and puffiness. Avoid carbonated drinks. They introduce gas directly into your stomach. Chew food slowly. This simple habit reduces swallowed air and prevents bloating. If you found this evening drink helpful, just imagine how much better your stomach will feel when you combine it with other gut healing habits. So here's your challenge. Try this drink for 7 nights in a row and pay attention to how much lighter and less bloated you feel in the morning. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it and share your results. I'd love to hear your progress. And don't forget, if you want more natural remedies to reduce bloating, boost metabolism, and improve your gut health, hit that like button, subscribe to Stomach Fit, and turn on notifications. Your stomach will thank you. This simple evening drink may look small, but it's a powerful habit that transforms how your stomach feels overnight. Remember, big results come from small daily habits, and your gut health is the key to a flatter, lighter, and healthier body. Thanks for watching Stomach Fit. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.